The Samsung Galaxy A72 has a seamless design with sleek curves and it is IP67 rated for water and dust resistance. It is available in black, blue, violet and white colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM that allows for seamless multitasking and is available in two memory variants to choose from, 128GB and 256GB. The memory is expandable up to 1TB in both the variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy A72 has a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display for an immersive viewing experience. With 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution, 407 ppi and 16 million colors, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The 90 Hz refresh rate ensures faster touch response and smooth actions. Galaxy A72 comes with a 64-megapixel quad camera setup with optical image stabilization and 30x space zoom. The phone also features a 32-megapixel front camera. Powered by Android 11 V11.0 operating system, One UI 3.1 with Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Samsung Galaxy A72 has a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 25 watts fast charging. The box includes handset, ejection pin, manual, data cable and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.